Welcome to AI Daily Deep Dive, the podcast that dives deep into the top AI news of the day, researched and generated entirely by AI. Today, we're diving into a whirlwind of announcements from Nvidia's GTC 2025.
Oh, wow.
Get ready for AI's expanding role in hotels, the latest in multimodal advancements, some eyebrow-raising applications on social media, and even the U.S. Army's ambitious plans for AI integration.
It's remarkable how AI is weaving itself into so many aspects of our lives, from the devices we use to the services we experience.
Absolutely. And speaking of weaving, NVIDIA's just dropped a tapestry of announcements at GTC 2025.
Yeah.
Their keynote was a nonstop flow of new hardware and software.
Oh, wow.
Kicking things off, they unveiled the Blackwell Ultra GPUs.
Okay.
They're boasting a massive leap in performance compared to previous generations.
It seems like they're laying the groundwork for even more complex and demanding AI applications.
Right.
A faster processing speed could revolutionize fields that require heavy computation, like weather forecasting, financial modeling, and even astronomical simulations.
Then there's the Vera Rubin platform set to launch in 2026.
Okay.
This AI computing platform is designed for efficiency and scalability across various applications.
Right.
NVIDIA is aiming for seamless integration into AI-driven data centers, advanced enterprise AI, and even robotics.
The platform's focus on scalability is particularly interesting.
Yeah.
As AI models become larger and more complex, the ability to efficiently handle that growth is crucial.
Sure.
This could be a key enabler for future breakthroughs in areas like natural language processing and computer vision.
And for those who dream of humanoid robots, NVIDIA's introduced Isaac GROOT N1, an open humanoid robotics framework.
Interesting.
This aims to make building sophisticated robots more accessible to developers, researchers, and companies of all sizes.
Opening up robotics development like this could significantly accelerate innovation. Imagine a future where smaller companies and startups can contribute to advancements in areas like healthcare robotics, disaster relief, and even personalized assistive technology.
Speaking of pushing boundaries, NVIDIA announced partnerships with DeepMind and Disney Research. Their goal? To push the limits of robotics, AI, especially in intelligent robotic agents and animation technologies.
Wow.
It looks like reinforcement learning will be playing a key role in their research, for those unfamiliar. It's a type of machine learning where an AI learns by trial and error,
Right.
getting feedback for its actions and adjusting its behavior over time.
Disney is particularly interested in applying this technology to real-time character animation special effects and even their theme park robotics. Imagine the immersive experiences they could create with AI-powered characters that can interact with guests in a more realistic and engaging way.
And for those eager to experience AI supercomputing power firsthand, NVIDIA's introduced DGX Spark and DGX Station DGX Spark offers a compact, high-performance solution designed for AI researchers, developers, and startups working on training and inference.
Essentially, it's bringing the power of a large-scale AI development environment to a smaller, more accessible format. This could be a game changer for individuals and smaller teams who may not have the resources for a full-blown data center.
And DGX Station is a powerful desktop AI workstation packed with features like lightning-fast connectivity and NVIDIA's most powerful AI chip designed specifically for desktops.
Okay.
Data scientists, AI engineers, and content creators who need that extra computational muscle without relying on the cloud might find this particularly useful.
It seems like they're aiming to make AI development more accessible to a wider audience, which could lead to a surge in innovation.
For professionals working with high-resolution rendering simulations and complex deep learning models, NVIDIA introduced the RTX Pro 6000 Blackwell Workstation Edition, their fastest GPU ever.
Okay.
It boasts an impressive 96 gigabits of GDDR7 memory and AI-enhanced rendering capabilities.
This kind of processing power opens doors for incredible advancements in fields like scientific visualization, architectural design, and even special effects in filmmaking. Imagine rendering incredibly detailed and realistic scenes in a fraction of the time it currently takes.
But it's not all about hardware. NVIDIA also introduced Dynamo, an open-source AI inference engine. This software aims to improve the scalability of AI reasoning models for large-scale applications. Essentially, AI inference is how AI systems use the information they've learned to make decisions and take actions. And Dynamo's focus on scalability suggests they're preparing for a future where AI is integrated into even more intricate and complex applications.
As AI becomes more deeply embedded in our lives, the ability to handle large amounts of data and make quick, efficient decisions will be critical.
Their partnership with General Motors also highlights NVIDIA's focus on real-world AI applications. This collaboration will center on integrating advanced AI into vehicles, manufacturing, and robotics.
It's fascinating to see how AI is moving beyond research labs and into tangible, everyday applications. This partnership could lead to advancements in self-driving cars, AI-powered factories, and even smarter in-car experiences.
And finally, Nvidia introduced Blue, their next-generation AI-powered humanoid robot. Developed with Google DeepMind and Disney Research, Blue showcases their new open-source robotics physics engine. During their demonstration, Blue exhibited real-time AI decision-making and adaptive motor skills learning from human interactions.
Blue's development represents a convergence of key AI trends: advanced robotics, realistic simulation, and reinforcement learning. This combination could revolutionize industries that rely on physical tasks, such as manufacturing, logistics, and even healthcare.
Right.
Imagine robots that can learn and adapt to new situations in real time, making them more efficient and versatile.
So it's clear NVIDIA's GTC 2025 announcements are a bold statement about their position in AI robotics and high-performance computing. They're aiming to be a leader in autonomous systems, AI infrastructure, and next-generation computing platforms. But let's shift gears from the world of cutting-edge hardware and talk about how AI is starting to reshape an industry we all experience: hospitality.
It's amazing how quickly AI is finding its way into diverse sectors.
Yeah.
It speaks volumes about its potential to change the way we live, work, and interact with the world.
A fully AI-powered hotel is set to open in Las Vegas this July, promising to redefine the guest experience.
Wow.
This hotel uses a digital avatar for each guest, drawing data from bookings' previous stays and even publicly available information to personalize the experience.
Imagine checking into a hotel where your room is already set to your preferred temperature. The lighting is adjusted to your liking, and maybe even your favorite music is playing softly in the background.
It definitely makes you wonder, what role will human interaction have in an environment designed to anticipate our every need?
That's a valid point. The balance between automation and the human touch will be a key consideration as AI becomes more prevalent in service industries.
Now let's move from personalized hotel rooms to the evolution of AI itself.
Okay.
The world of multimodal AI is rapidly advancing. AI systems are evolving to interact with us through text, images, audio, A&D video, just like how our brains process information.
This development marks a significant step towards more natural and intuitive interactions with technology.
A prime example of this is Microsoft's Copilot Vision, which analyzes everything on a website in real time to answer your questions conversationally. This has a vast range of potential applications, from making informed decisions about health insurance to breaking down complex research papers.
It's fascinating to see how AI is breaking down the barriers between humans and technology, making it easier for us to access and understand information.
But with great technological advancements, there are always potential downsides. Europol, the European Union's law enforcement agency, issued a warning about how organized crime is increasingly utilizing AI.
It's a stark reminder that any technology, regardless of its potential benefits, can be exploited for malicious purposes.
Their report states that AI is enhancing cyber attacks, creating hyper-realistic child sexual abuse material, and facilitating state-sponsored destabilization campaigns.
It definitely underscores the importance of addressing potential risks associated with AI.
One specific area of concern highlighted in the report is the use of AI in deepfake technology. Deepfakes are synthetic media that can be incredibly convincing, even to trained professionals.
The potential for spreading misinformation, manipulating public opinion, and even committing fraud using deepfakes is a real and growing concern. It highlights the need for critical thinking and media literacy in an age where distinguishing between real and fake content is increasingly difficult.
Moving from the darker side of AI to something a little lighter, Meta is currently experimenting with AI-generated comments on Instagram. This feature allows users to pick from pre-written comments suggested by an AI tool.
This application of AI has definitely sparked some debate about its purpose and impact on online authenticity.
While it might appear as a way to make interactions more efficient, many are questioning its value and potential impact on online authenticity.
Some argue that AI-generated comments might exacerbate the issue of inauthenticity on social media platforms, further blurring the lines between human and machine-generated content.
Critics also voice concerns about the potential lack of nuance and context in these AI-generated comments, which could lead to misunderstandings or perpetuate harmful stereotypes.
It's crucial to consider how integrating AI features like this might affect the quality and genuineness of online communication.
Now, from the world of social media, let's shift our focus to the realm of warfare, where AI is starting to play a significant role.
This is undoubtedly one of the most complex and ethically challenging applications of AI, raising profound questions about the future of warfare and the role of technology in armed forces.
The U.S. Army is currently exploring the use of AI to take on high-risk tasks, aiming to minimize the danger faced by soldiers. Their vision is to create a collaboration between humans and machines that can operate more effectively and safely in modern combat scenarios.
It's important to remember that integrating AI into warfare comes with a range of ethical and strategic concerns. The potential consequences of autonomous weapons systems, the risks of algorithmic bias and targeting, and the overall impact on the human cost of war all need careful consideration.
Well, we've covered a lot of ground today, exploring a wide spectrum of AI news and developments. Before we wrap up part one of our deep dive, I'm curious to know what stands out to you from this whirlwind of information.
For me, it's the sheer breadth and depth of AI's impact that's most striking. From groundbreaking hardware advancements to the ethical considerations of its application in various fields, AI is no longer a futuristic concept, but a rapidly evolving force shaping our present and future.
I completely agree. It's both exciting and a little daunting to witness the speed of AI's advancement and how it's becoming intertwined with so many aspects of our lives. Stay tuned for part two, where we'll delve deeper into these developments and explore their potential implications.
It's incredible to think that just a few years ago, AI was largely confined to research labs and tech giants. Now it's becoming increasingly accessible to individuals and smaller organizations, democratizing access to these powerful tools.
It's almost like the early days of personal computing, when having a computer at home was a novel idea. Now we're seeing a similar trend with AI. Tools and platforms are becoming more affordable and user-friendly, potentially sparking a wave of creativity and innovation as more people get their hands on them.
That's a great analogy. And it's not just about access to tools. Open source initiatives like the one behind Nvidia's Blue Robot are also playing a crucial role. By sharing knowledge and resources, researchers and developers can build upon each other's work and create a more vibrant AI ecosystem.
It reminds me of the open source movement in software development. Collaboration and shared knowledge have been instrumental in its success. Now we're seeing that same spirit of openness and collaboration within the AI community, which is incredibly exciting.
Speaking of exciting developments, let's circle back to that AI-powered hotel in Las Vegas. Imagine a hotel that caters to your every whim, adjusting the room temperature, lighting, and even playing your favorite music as you walk in.
It does sound like a futuristic concept, but it also makes you think about the role of human interaction in a world where AI is taking over more and more tasks. Will we still crave that personal touch, that genuine human connection, even in an environment designed to anticipate our every need?
That's a question many industries are grappling with as AI becomes more sophisticated. It's not simply about replacing human workers with machines, but about finding the right balance between automation and the human element. In some cases, AI might free up human workers to focus on tasks that require empathy, critical thinking, and interpersonal skills, the things AI can't replicate.
It's about redefining the roles of humans and machines, creating a synergy where each contributes its unique strengths.
Exactly. And it's not just about jobs and tasks. AI has the potential to change how we experience the world around us. Think of multimodal AI systems that can understand and respond to us through a combination of text, images, audio, and video.
It's like having a personal assistant who can not only understand our words, but also interpret our facial expressions, our tone of voice, and even our gestures.
Precisely. This intuitive and personalized interaction could revolutionize how we interact with technology, making it more seamless, natural, and enjoyable.
Imagine having a natural conversation with your computer where it understands your needs and preferences and can anticipate what you're looking for before you even ask.
That's the potential of multimodal AI. And it's not just about convenience. These systems could become powerful tools in education, entertainment, and healthcare.
Think of AI creating immersive educational experiences where students could interact with historical figures, explore distant planets, or even conduct virtual experiments. Or imagine AI-powered entertainment systems that craft personalized stories and games that adapt to your mood and preferences.
The possibilities are truly endless. But with any powerful technology, there are potential risks and challenges that need to be addressed.
One of the biggest concerns is the potential for bias in AI systems. If these systems are trained on biased data, they could perpetuate and amplify existing societal biases, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes, particularly in areas like hiring, lending, and criminal justice.
You're absolutely right. AI systems are only as good as the data they're trained on. It's crucial to ensure that those data sets are diverse, representative, and free from bias. And we need to develop ways to detect and mitigate bias in AI systems even after they've been deployed.
Another concern is the potential for malicious use of AI. We've already seen examples of AI being used to create deepfakes, spread misinformation, and even launch cyber attacks. As AI becomes more powerful, developing safeguards to prevent its misuse is essential.
Absolutely. And it's not just about preventing misuse. We also need to think about the ethical implications of AI. How can we ensure that AI systems are used in a way that respects human dignity and autonomy? How do we balance the potential benefits of AI with the need to protect privacy and individual rights?
Those are complex questions with no easy answers, but they're crucial conversations to have now as AI rapidly integrates into our lives.
I agree. We need a thoughtful and informed dialogue about AI's potential impacts, both positive and negative. And that dialogue needs to include diverse voices, ethicists, policymakers, technologists, and the general public.
It's about shaping the future of AI to benefit all of humanity, not just a select few. Before we wrap up part 2 of our deep dive, let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned. What insights or questions are you taking away from this exploration of AI news?
I'm struck by the sheer pace of innovation in AI. It seems like every day brings news of breakthroughs and advancements that push the boundaries of what's possible. And it's exciting to see these advancements translating into real-world applications that are already transforming industries and impacting lives.
I agree. The volume of AI news we discussed today really highlights the transformative power of this technology. And it's clear that we're just scratching the surface. AI is still in its early stages of development, and its full potential has yet to be realized.
That's what makes this field so fascinating. We're witnessing the birth of a new era, one where intelligent machines are becoming an integral part of our world. And it's up to us to ensure we shape this future responsibly and ethically, ensuring that AI benefits all of humanity.
Well said. That concludes part 2 of our deep dive into the latest AI news. Stay tuned for part 3, where we'll explore the potential of AI to revolutionize scientific research, transform how we work, and even challenge our understanding of creativity.
It's fascinating how AI isn't just changing the tools we use, but also expanding the realm of what's possible.
It's like AI is providing us with a new lens to view the world, helping us uncover patterns, forge connections, and solve problems in ways we couldn't have previously imagined.
One area where AI is making a profound impact is scientific research. From analyzing massive data sets to simulating complex systems, AI is accelerating the pace of discovery in fields like medicine, materials science, and climate change.
It's like having a superpowered research assistant who can sift through mountains of data, identify hidden trends, and even propose new hypotheses.
For example, in drug discovery, AI is analyzing the vast chemical space of potential drug candidates, identifying promising leads that would take years to discover using traditional methods. This is leading to faster and more efficient drug development, potentially bringing life-saving treatments to patients sooner.
It's incredible to think AI could play such a vital role in improving human health. And its impact isn't limited to medicine. AI is also transforming the way we work, automating tasks, improving efficiency, and even creating entirely new job categories.
Think of AI-powered tools automating repetitive tasks like data entry, scheduling, and customer support. This frees up human workers to focus on more creative, strategic, and fulfilling work.
It's about augmenting human capabilities, not replacing them. AI can handle the mundane tasks, allowing us to focus on what humans do best: problem-solving, critical thinking, and innovation.
Exactly. And it's not just about automating existing jobs. AI is also creating entirely new job categories like AI trainers, AI ethicists, and AI safety engineers. These roles didn't exist a few years ago, but are now in high demand as businesses and organizations seek to harness the power of AI responsibly.
It's like a whole new industry is emerging around AI, creating jobs and opportunities we couldn't have imagined before. And it's not just about practical applications. AI is also beginning to challenge our very understanding of creativity.
We're seeing AI systems composing music, writing poetry, creating art, and even generating realistic images and videos. This raises profound questions about the nature of creativity and what it means to be human in an age of intelligent machines.
It's fascinating to think about AI blurring the lines between human and machine creativity. Is AI merely a tool humans use to express their creativity, or can it generate its own original ideas and expressions?
That's a question philosophers and artists are still debating. But regardless of the answer, it's clear AI is significantly impacting the creative landscape. It's providing new tools and possibilities for artists and creators, and it's challenging us to rethink our assumptions about what it means to be creative.
It's both exhilarating and a bit unsettling to think about the implications of AI for human creativity. But one thing is, certain AI is a powerful force shaping our world in ways we're only beginning to understand.
And as we continue to explore AI's potential, it's crucial we do so responsibly and ethically, focusing on ensuring this technology benefits all of humanity.
Well said. That brings our deep dive into the latest AI news to a close. We've covered a lot of ground today, from groundbreaking hardware announcements to the ethical challenges of AI in warfare. We've explored AI's potential to revolutionize scientific research, transform the way we work, and even challenge our understanding of creativity.
It's been a fascinating journey through the ever-evolving world of AI. I hope this deep dive has left you with a sense of wonder, curiosity, and perhaps even a bit of healthy skepticism about the potential of this transformative technology.
As AI continues to evolve, it's up to all of us to stay informed, ask questions, engage in thoughtful conversations about its impact on our lives and our world.
Until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of artificial intelligence.